Hi, my name is Hemang Jangla from Havemore Insurance Brokers Private Limited. As I told you about, I'm going to talk about the Insurance Bazaar. We is a portal for the insurance solution. We make this Insurance Bazaar.in very simple, and the idea, because of the we to differentiate between the our portal and the others portal which is available currently in the market. Other portal give you a lot of comparison, lot of data, lot of comparison. Again, I think you confuse. So we want to give something very simple and easy to understand, and basically educate. So now we have developed a lot of things in Insurance Bazaar. Once you go to Insurance Bazaar, we have a lot of product knowledge about education. I think we had more than 80 products in our website, and brief 4 to 5 lines, 5-liners. What do you mean by this product? Whether it's a life product or non-life product, say marine to fire to child plan to pension plan. What do you mean, and how it help you in your life as life insurance, and how you help you take care of your assets in non-life segment. So we have developed our own data banks, a library of all the products. So you can go to our site, whether you want to buy or not, absolutely no problem. You're going to go learn about this small product about 4-5 lines, and then also you want to know more. You want to know more. You want to ask some question. Just give your contact detail, and our representative will contact you. So it's up to you. You want to ask something, we are ready. And then also we develop a lot of lead generation type of thing. But we give you some idea, some platform, and then you ask, you make some tick marks, and whatever you want, we will give you. We don't give you 20 company. We'll give you choose 3 or 4 out of this 20 of your choice, and then we give you comparison, and then we tell you why is better than one another, rather than give 20 company and confuse you. Rather you choose from these 20 companies, and we let you understand what do you mean by this, and how it's help you in your business, or in your life, or your spouse and your family to protect, say all like child plan, protection plan. And also we try to give you more knowledge about what is the difference between child plan, term plan, endowment plan, a lot of plan. Because you, for as a customer, is like, okay, insurance lena hai, but for what you need. So we do lot of need analysis based solution we give. Well, we don't give right product to wrong person. Is always give better to give a right person to right products, rather than mostly people give wrong product to right people, or right product to wrong people. I think in both conditions they are bad. So I think we try to do something in Insurance Bazaar. We try to collaborate a lot of forces and try to keep very simple to make you understand. Thank you, Hemang Jangla.